Hey, Dr. Compton here, hands of a surgeon. I'm an artist. I just wanted to let you guys know about an event we have coming up on October 27th at 5 to 8 p.m. We're going to have a sort of a nice open house night where I'm going to give a talk about vertical vector facelift, which is a new technique that I learned from Dr. Andrew Giacono. And it's just a modification of the deep plane lift that I've been doing. But anyway, come out and hear about it. We're going to have drinks and hors d'oeuvres and some prizes, and then we're going to have some really deep discounts that you won't be able to get anywhere else. But just a quick thing about the vertical vector facelift. Basically, after I lift the flap, I go in and I release these ligaments, which are holding the face in the wrong position, which allows me to redrape the fat of the face into the correct positions, which really restores it without any of the weird sort of tension defects that happen from traditional facelift, where you get that windblown look or the pixie ears or any of the bad scarring that happens. A lot of that's from tension, and that just completely eliminates the tension. So it's really the most advanced facelift in the world, and I'm really happy to be bringing it to Michigan for everyone around here. So I look forward to seeing you that night, and come by and RSVP, please, but come on by and see us. All right, bye.